boil a covenant down, one of the biggest things that we're doing is we're committing to one another. That you are uniting two lives to one, and you are vowing to each other to stay faithful to one another. There's a commitment that happens there, just like Yahweh does with His people.
Emily, when we first met, I had no idea the adventure that we would end up taking together. As a little marching band weenie, I never would have thought I'd end up marrying my squad leader.
Joshua, you are my person, my cat dad, my best friend. I love the way you always keep me laughing with your terrible jokes. You make me so happy and are always my biggest cheerleader.
Even with all of the words I know how to spell, none of them come close to explaining the joy I feel knowing that you are to be my wife. I know that I am not the easiest person to live with or tolerate all of the time, yet you have stood by my side in moments where it felt like the world was caving in around us.
You are the light of my life, and I never want to go a day without you. I vow to always be faithful to you, to love you, and be by your side, to be your biggest fan, and to spend the rest of my life loving you madly.
I vow to support and encourage you in hard times and share in the joy of good times, and know that God has truly blessed me with an amazing, beautiful woman. I love you, B.
I give you my heart, my soul, and my trust, no matter what our future might bring. I will always strive to do my best and show up every day of our lives. Josh, I love you forever. Yours, Emily.
Exchanging of these vows and the exchanging of these rings to pronounce you husband and wife. Josh, you may now kiss your bride. Woo!
May you have a blessed and happy marriage, and just know that there isn't anything I wouldn't do for you both, because you've got a friend in me. And so they lived happily ever after, and let your adventure begin. Mr. and Mrs. Joshua Hylton.
That has caught fire. So, may your fire stay strong and bright and filled with love and so much laughter for at least 70 years or now. To the bride and groom, cheers to you.
Through highest highs and lowest lows, with love and kind that always shows. On wedding day and every other, you'll always say you love each other. Here's to the bride and groom, to Josh and Emily.
Now I stand here as the husband to truly the most amazing woman a guy can have. I know it's cliche, but I truly feel like the luckiest man in the world. From the way your hand fits in mine, to your humbling knowledge of song lyrics, you are my perfect lady. From the deepest parts of me, I love you.